In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Google Drive upload date. If you've ever needed a file in Google Drive to show today's upload date, here is no direct toggle for that in Drive. The simple workaround is to download the file, remove the original if you need to, and upload the same file again. That fresh upload will carry the current date as its upload date. First, download the file from Google Drive. On the web, locate the file, right-click it, and choose Download. Your browser will save a copy to your default Downloads folder. Give it a moment to finish, especially for larger files. If the file is a Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides item, Drive will export it to a standard format like Docs, XLSX, PPTX, or PDF before saving. That's normal, and it's the version you'll be uploading. Keeping track of where that file lands on your computer will make the next step smoother. Next, delete the original from your Google Drive if necessary. This is optional, but important if you want to avoid duplicates, or if you need the file to appear as newly uploaded without the old version sitting alongside it. Keep in mind that deleting the original breaks any existing links and removes prior version history. If you are concerned, remember that deleted items typically move to trash and can be restored for a limited time. Also, if this file was shared, re-uploading creates a new file with a new link, so you may need to reshare later. Now, upload the file again. In Google Drive, navigate to the folder where you want the file to live so it lands in the right place. Click the plus New button in the top left. Select File Upload and choose the copy you just downloaded. Wait for the upload to complete. You'll see a progress indicator and then a confirmation when it's done. The newly uploaded file will appear in your current view with the same name as the file on your computer. Finally, verify the upload date. Right-click the newly uploaded file and open the Details pane to see its uploaded date. You should now see today's date reflected there. Note that the list view in Drive often shows last modified rather than uploaded, so the Details pane is the most reliable place to confirm the change. That's all there is to it. Download. Optionally delete, upload again, and verify. This quick process gives your file a fresh upload date without any complicated settings. Thanks for watching.